Hi everyone, today's headlines. Sumi Hoho appeals for complete lockdown in Nagaland. Nagaland reports 133 COVID-19 positive cases and 140 deaths on May 10. All shops in Kifri to remain closed for 72 hours from May 11th. Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department cautions cooperate or face action. KVC imposes immediate total lockdown in Kohima. Organization condemn alleged attack on minor boy at Chumukuruma. 5-minute delay in oxygen supply kills 11 COVID-19 patient in Tirupati Roy Hospital. Floating bodies of suspected COVID victims leave Buzar villagers horrified. News in details. Sumi Hoho appeals for complete lockdown in Nagaland. The Sumi Hoho on Monday urged the Nagaland government to immediately impose complete lockdown in Nagaland with immediate effect in the wake of serious surge in COVID-19 cases in the state. The Sumi Hoho, in a representation submitted to the Chief Minister of Nagaland, lauded the missionaries of the government of Nagaland and all the frontline workers for the unceasing effort to contain spread of COVID-19 in the state. The Hoho said that the COVID-19 positive cases and casualties are surging day by day, and we cannot deny the fact that community spread is endangering the lives of entire state. Nagaland reports 133 COVID-19 positive cases and 140 deaths on May 10. Nagaland reported 133 COVID-19 positive cases on Monday, May 10, 2021 in Nagaland. The state total tally rose to 16,283. Updated the Health Minister S. Pangifom. Out of 133 new COVID-19 positive cases reported, 88 cases were detected in Dimapur, 13 in Kohima, 9 in Kifri, 7 in Zunabado, 5 in Mokachung, 4 in Peren, 3 each in Tunsang and Mon, and 1 in Voka. Active cases stands at 2,884. Also, the state recorded 47 recoveries of COVID-19 patients, taking the total recovery tally in the state to 12,734, updated the Health Minister S. Pangifom. The state also reported 140 deaths of COVID-19 till date, the Health Minister informed. All shops in Kifri to remain closed for 72 hours from May 11. With the rise of COVID-19 positive cases in Kifri, the District Task Force Kifri has resolved to close all the shops in the districts for 72 hours from May 11, 2021. This was decided in a DTF meeting held on May 10, 2021 at DC Conference Hall, Kifri. The Deputy Commissioner T. Vati Iyer said that COVID positive cases in the district was only 4, but after random testing, 9 more positive cases were detected. He added that frontline workers alone cannot fight against the pandemic but needs collective effort of all the citizens. The DTF also resolved to activate COVID Care Center and Institutional Quarantine Center at Kifri and Pungro and Screening Center at Atongri, Longmatra and Yang Zidong Junction. Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department cautions, cooperate or face action. The Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Government of Nagaland on Monday cautioned on action against travellers and COVID-19 patients for not cooperating with the surveillance team and violating COVID SOP. The Deputy Director, Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Department, Dr. Imkong Temsul Longcher, on Monday, May 10, 2021 said that some travellers are found to be giving wrong personal information at the point of entry and to contact tracing team, which adversely affect the surveillance activities to check the transmission of COVID-19. The Deputy Director said that it is also observed some people who already tested positive are found to be running from one laboratory to another for a retest or confirmation, endangering the community in the process. A positive by any COVID-19 test is a 100% confirmed positive anywhere in the world, he said. KVC proposes immediate total lockdown in Kohima. On the backdrop of serious surge in COVID-19 positive cases in the state, especially in Kohima and Dimapur, and to break the chain of spreading the disease, the Kohima Village Council on Monday proposed for immediate total lockdown in Kohima and Dimapur district. The KVC, in a proposal addressed to the convener and Deputy Commissioner of Kohima, stated, "We are all well aware that our government and all stakeholders in this pandemic are at a war footing to contain this deadly disease. But to our total surprise and concern, the rate of the increase of COVID positive cases in our state, especially Kohima and Dimapur, is creeping up in the graph of daily bulletin, which is a concern to everyone." KVC also stated that immense community spreading is happening and random testing is proving that instead of the disease being contained, it is an alarming increasing day by day. Expressing its opinion, KVC said that in order to break the chain of spreading the disease, the best remedy at this juncture is to go for an immediate total lockdown and confine the citizens to safety. Further, KVC requested Convener and Deputy Commissioner of Kohima to ponder on this serious issue and immediately give the authority permission and declare a total lockdown in Kohima to save valuable life. Organizations condemn alleged attack on minor boy at Chimukudima. The United Sangam Longkim Punje USLP Kifri District Congress Committee Dimapur Eastern Nagaland Students Union condemned the alleged attack on youth by some members of Chumukurma Village Youth Society on May 6, 2021. 5 minutes delay in oxygen supply kills 11 COVID-19 patient in Tirupati Ruya Hospital. Andhra Pradesh Ruya Hospital joined the list of several medical facilities that have lately run out of oxygen, leading to the death of several critical COVID-19 patients who were battling for life at the hospital. The renowned Ruya Hospital in Tirupati on Monday suffered an interruption in the oxygen supply chain that caused the death of 11 COVID patients, Chittoor District Collector Harinarayan said. Around 30 doctors immediately rushed into the ICU to attend to the patient when the incident took place. District authorities said the incident took place after an oxygen tanker arrived at a 5-minute delay to the hospital. However, the oxygen supply was immediately restored, averting a major tragedy, the collector added. Floating bodies of suspected COVID victim leave Bujar villagers horrified. Locals at Chausa in Bihar's Bujar district were left horrified on Monday after they saw numerous bodies floating in the mighty Ganga. Most of these bodies were suspected to be floating for the last 24 hours and, as locals admit, could be of those who died due to coronavirus. The locals were scared that this body floating near their village could infect hundreds of villagers. When the Bujar SDO KK Upadhyay visited Mahadevgarh at Chausa to take stock of the situation, he was informed by the villagers that the bodies could be from neighboring Uttar Pradesh. They said that people either in Gazipur or Varanasi might have dumped them in the Ganga after their near one died due to COVID-19. They also could have done so due to lack of funds to perform proper last rites of their kin. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.